This is Sherry Sherman, and this is my second video journal entry for EDOL 700. The assignment was 4.2. Today is October the 11th, 2018, and we were asked to take 5 assessments and report a finding from each, either a strength or a need, and the rationale behind that. And so, first of all, my 5 assessments were 27 things to do before I die, the lottery, my ideal life, my life in the year 2028, and then my professional disposition. So I'll go through each one of those and let you know what I discovered. So first of all, the 27 things I want to do before I die. I discovered in this assessment that I really appreciate things like travel, art, creativity, and novelty. So the finding there was that it can sometimes be challenging to express these desires in my corporate setting. And I think just being more intentional about building them into my life and continuing to check them off as I, just fitting them into my world right now and not waiting. Secondly, the lottery, if I could, I would. The need there was, although I would not say that I live to work at all, I do need to pay attention to and value the fact that my job does provide income, because the things I want to do if I win the lottery do require income. And so it just made me realize that I'm super fortunate to be able to enjoy my work, and that although corporate life can be a bit taxing, I appreciate the work that I'm getting to do and the money that I'm getting to save right now, because I truly do have some pretty big dreams that I ultimately would like to realize. My ideal life, the finding there was that I'd really enjoy writing and speaking more than I get to do in my current role. So I was kind of thinking that perhaps I can do some things like LinkedIn writings, or perhaps raising my hand a bit more in what I currently do to speak. So that was a great reminder of some things that I can tend to neglect because I get so busy in my professional life. My life in the year 2028, I realized that ultimately I would enjoy a simpler, less hectic life. And again, I'm so great to get to do the work that I enjoy, but I am looking forward to a slower, more creative, less crazy making life, I think, someday. And finally, my professional disposition. My need there was self-reflection, and this was an interesting one for me because I do take time every day to personally reflect, almost every day at the beginning of the day. And so that personal reflection is really important to me. What I realized here is that I don't often take the time to do it professionally, that I'm just running so quickly. And so certain things in this program already have caused me to slow down and begin to take a look at that self-reflection as how I professionally show up as a leader, which I'm really grateful for. And those are my discoveries around my assessments. Thanks so much for listening.